bitches up.
I'm prone to that. Do it all the time. Keep your guards up. Who waited line? You don't need me. Please leave. Excuse me. Lips are telling me yes. Why you kissing on my neck? Making me feel so. Should I stay? Should I go? I don't know. You have voice style, drive me wild. But in the back of my mind, I know. I wanna see how you put that thing on me. I can't let you mess with me. I wanna see how you put that thing on me. I can't let you mess with me. That's me. Conversation like what? TikTok's got you stuck. Feelings start to show. Should I stay? Should I go? I don't know. You're driving me crazy. Wanna be your lady, but I gotta make it home. I wanna see how you put that thing on me. I can't let you mess with me. I wanna see how you put that thing on me. I can't let you mess with me. The best of me, the best
Guys, the movers are finally gone. Everything is finally in the new apartment. I set up the Wi-Fi just now. It took me a minute. That's why I didn't set up the camera. And I'm literally hunting down the storage boxes looking for my Apple TV because I need some music. I'm the type of person I need music to function. And my friend Jess is coming over to keep me company and help me unpack a little. And yeah, I need music. So I'm trying to listen to some music while I wait on her to get here. But yeah, let me show you guys how the apartment look. We will be getting a new couch, but it is technically like on back order. Living spaces, count your days. But anyways, this is the living room area. I am going to be working from home in terms of taking clients. So this is the area that my clients will be set up. I need to move shit that's not supposed to be here. The kitchen is looking like hell. Like literally bags on top of bags on top of bags on top of bags. And then bathroom is pretty empty. Not much stuff. I will be decorating in here. I already came and cleaned the other day, as you guys saw in the previous vlog. And then we have the bedroom. The bedroom is pretty much set up already. Guys, I love it. I thought it would be small in here. I don't know why, but it's literally perfect size. I really need to figure out how to get this stain out, because when I dyed my hair and then, you know, just the body oils and stuff, it's just on the bed head. I need to get that cleaned. And then this is what the closet is looking like. Need to organize everything. Like, the apartment is literally what my mind feels like. Fucking chaos. Finally!
It's been a hot minute. Ooh, it's been a hot minute. It's been a hot minute. Ooh, it's been a hot minute. It's been a hot minute. Ooh, it's been a hot minute. It's been a hot minute. Ooh, it's been a hot minute. It's been a hot minute. Ooh, it's been a hot minute. It's been a hot minute. Ooh, it's been a hot minute. It's been a hot minute.
Hi guys, Jess is here. This is all that's left of the that's left of the burger. That was my first meal of the day. I was starving. Just don't like In-N-Out, so she got cane.
In-N-Out is so... I'm a Texas girl. We like Whataburger.
You see, that I don't like Whataburger. Yeah, I don't know. It just Whataburger just do. It's like it don't have. I like the flavor of In-N-Out burger. Whataburger have a different flavor. It just. I,
It's been a hot minute. Ooh, it's been a hot minute. Long time no see. Yeah, it's been a while. What do you say? Long time no see. Yeah, it's been a while. What do you say? Long time no see. Yeah, it's been a while.
guys, I want some type of normalcy, even though we are moving. So I'm gonna go to the gym, but I'm gonna get Zuri from the old apartment. So I'm just gonna go to the gym at the old apartment. And I think that's pretty much it for the night. I will talk to you guys in the morning. Hey guys, happy Tuesday. We made it. We survived the move. As you can see, I got my toes done because why not? After all that strenuous work, all that stress, I deserve to pamper myself. So I came to my girl Tips and Toes by Darling. I'm gonna include it on the screen or somewhere, but not gonna lie, she ate. My toes look so suckable right now. But yeah, it's no, what time is it? It's, oh my god, it's late. It's 4 o'clock, so it's prime traffic time. Guys, I found the most perfect, just so loud in my video. I found the most perfect thing to put in my bathroom. Isn't this absolutely gorge? No, the price is not gorge though. Look at the price. I wouldn't want to go with that. Or am I cheap? Yeah, we eating these bitches up. Period. Look at that cutie. It's a raining man. Hallelujah. Wait a minute. I don't see that. Guys, when you see the sale signs, that's what we like to see. Yeah. Going out of business.
Yeah. Ravage their store.
Yeah. See, ooh, this is slippery.
Careful. Feel
it a Forever 21. Guys, we did some damage. Mommy, show them a bag. We indeed did some damage, but guys, if there's anybody in the San Antonio area, what the hell? Why is it zooming in? If anybody is in the San Antonio area and they need a Bobisha the Builder, my mom is here and bookings are available. It's up and it's perfect. Guys, like perfect. I love it. We're working on the coat hanger to hang up. And yes, and putting it, but everything is coming out so good. We have my little bench, we have the coat rack, the painting, the mirror. Everything is so cute. Chicken. Yeah, people. Yeah. Gonna grab. So annoying.
You wanted it there.
No, but
That's where the hang is.
that's what me I said to you a while ago. Me them.
I'm gonna F you up. You know that? I feel you're gonna have to work with it because I'm not go back up there. When you hear me, I'm not going back up there.
It's so cozy in here.
Hey, Miss Walker, thank you for wanting a verse from me. Apologies for the wait, sometimes it's hard to get the distractions up off you. For enough time to jot your thoughts, but fuck it, this morning I got to. I'm thinking about you. I heard you just had you another little baby.
First I thought I was bugging because this price for this I saw was way more than what I saw in the app. But it turns out that this is like a little high-end one that you can use, and they have the one that I actually want for cheaper at another location, because this is $50 and the other one I want is $36. And in this economy I'm saving my money, so I'm putting this shit back.
Niggas been doing you wrong, barely been doing you wrong. On days you feeling like you on your own, I wrote this for you to put on. Thank you for sharing your light, your voice, and writing a beautiful poem. Session 32, bring me to tears, be getting choked up when I hear it. Seem like I keep crying off so much since a nigga had these kids, and I don't know what it is that made me so sensitive, more than I already was. But never mind that, this little audio hug. I hope you can smile for getting this straight. Smile from all your love, the more that we hurt, the harder we love. The more we gone, we gotta re-up. It's feel like it's love, but people knew half of the pressure, they know that it's hard to be heard. All of my love, y'all holding us down, y'all holding the crowns. You ever need something from me, don't hesitate, please. Just hit me and I'll be around, I'm gone. Walker, thank you for wanting a verse from me. Apologies for the wait, sometimes it's hard to get the distractions up off you. For enough time to jot your thoughts, but fuck it, this morning I got
Aisha,
I'm thinking
how
about
did we
you.
end up
I
here?
heard you just had you another little baby.
How did we end up here,
I
guys?
hope you got through it with no
Good friend,
complications. I find it amazing the way that you juggle your kids, the biz, the fame, the pictures
But
it's
he just
taking.
opened it
Sit
again.
around waiting for you to fall off like the album I'm making. But I hope that you take.
But I didn't want to end the video off without showing you guys everything that I got. I kept taking you guys shopping with me, telling you about my Amazon orders, and I never showed you anything. So as you can see, I have all these items behind me, and we're gonna just do a little haul. First thing I have is, these items are from Ross. I got this cute little like photo stand. I'm gonna put it in my bedroom or just somewhere. I think it was so cute, and it was only $4.99. I love me a deal. Got this as well, a little bowl. I'm planning to use it as like a little fruit bowl. It looks very cute, very chic, very me. Yeah, very cutesy. Yeah, very cute. And then I don't believe these are from Ross, but they were in each other. I got them from, I think I got them at Home Goods, but it's just these little organization bins. Like you never can go wrong with organization bins because I have too much something and they need to get organized. Oh, heavy. Home Goods. I got a new bath mat, so I got this one. It's very cutesy. So I got a new bed sheet. This is from Sealy. It's very cute, very neutral and nice. I think it was very cute. So I got a pack of this. This is sandalwood and musk. It smells even better. I forgot how good it smells. This smells like a man, a nice smell good, bathe good man in a one candle. Yeah, I love these candles. They're very, very nice. Oh, see? I got two of them. That's how nice they are. What's this called? Like a strainer? Yeah, I got this strainer because I didn't have any. I had a colander, but I didn't have like a little strainer like this. I just bought this to like have the items dry, and I like that it had this little detail that you could like lay the plates on. I got some new mitts for the oven. I got another set of towels for the kitchen. You can never have enough, honestly. It never fails to have a good amount of forks, knives, and spoons. So I got these organizers. They were on sale for $5. You know, I don't know if y'all know, but these stuff can be so pricey. So when I saw them for $5, I was like, you're coming home with me. So I got two of them to just organize the stuff in either the fridge or the freezer. Like this, what's this? Microfiber cloths. I feel like I have some, but I keep confusing them of where they are, if it's used for the bathroom, using for other stuff. So these are gonna be solely for the kitchen. So the other ones will be everywhere else. Don't know if I'm keeping this item or not. I think it's very beautiful, but to spend $50, I just didn't want to leave it because I know that if I went back to Home Goods, I probably wouldn't have found it. But I got it to like place my stuff in the bathroom on. If I don't like it or it don't go, it will be going back. So this is the last thing I got from Home Goods. I got some new pillows. These feel really good. I feel like they will keep their shape. And let me make sure. It's machine washable. I mean, I don't even know say you could have wash pillow. Like I didn't know that. Maybe the ones I have were not machine washable, and probably that's why I didn't know. But the fact that they're machine washable was like also another plus. But I needed some new pillows as well. I got these two pillows. I got them for my bedroom. They feel so good. Like they feel so soft and nice. Yeah. They feel so good. So I got these for my bedroom. Oh, okay. So this, I got this decanter. I got it from Ross. It was only, very pricey. It was only $3.99. I might use this for its actual purpose, or honestly, I might put my Listerine in it because I'm bougie like that. But yeah, amazing Dutch oven. The color is absolutely so beautiful. This like beigey taupey color. So beautiful. I got this from Home Goods. What's this? Like a drink shaker thing. You know, you take this, pour out the drink. I plan to like host a lot of my friends and like people over. So never. Zuri, can you give me some space, please? Y'all know what these are for. 6 of all the same candle because they smell that good. And the last time I bought only 2, I could not find them back until now. So I took everything I saw. The candle is the vanilla sandalwood from Home Goods, and just imagine sandalwood musk but with like a vanilla hint. Yeah, this is me. It's a bit me. And yeah, it doesn't say Ross, so I think it's from Home Goods, but these were also on sale. 2 big things. Organization. Who doesn't need organization, right? Also got this pot set from Home Goods. The pot set that I had prior, I had it for like 4 years, and it did its time. I got my money's worth. Okay, box has my new knife set. for my shower thing to hang it. So I just got new ones. Honestly, I've had this shower thing I believe for since I first got my first apartment. I've had it for literally 4 years, and all I do is each apartment I just replace the adhesive, and this adhesive is really good. Bomb. I'm gonna pull it out right now, but this is just my new duvet. I got a king size duvet. I already have one, but I wanted my bed to look more fluffy, like a hotel feel, so I just bought a second one, and I'm gonna put them both in this duvet cover so that, you know, can be bougie. Is this one I got. Let's see if you can see it. The first one is this one. I got this from Home Goods. It was on sale for like 40 bucks. So I got it, and I'm going to do some DIY. I will be showing you guys that I'm doing a TikTok. Make sure to follow me on TikTok. This huge one is from Ross. And I don't know if I'm going to leave it how it is. Let me put it down. I think y'all can see it better. Yeah. Yeah, I don't know if I'm going to leave it as it is, because depending on the rug that I get, I don't want them to clash. I think I want something more neutral, and then I decorate the living room with like the cushions, the throw blanket, the pillowcase. But to tidy these up. And yeah, this is the end of the weekly vlog. I hope you guys enjoy this vlog, and as always, I will see you next time. Make sure you like, comment, share, and subscribe.